Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Typeform Interactive Form Builder, my experience creating surveys. Typeform Interactive Form Builder offers a user-friendly way to create engaging and interactive online surveys, quizzes, polls, and forms. It's aimed at anyone from individuals to businesses needing to collect information, feedback, or data in a more dynamic and visually appealing way than traditional forms. Key features include customizable templates, various question types, and reporting and analytics tools. Their website provides details on the various pricing plans available, ranging from free to paid options depending on your needs. Typeform emphasizes ease of use and a modern design aesthetic to make form creation more enjoyable and effective. They highlight the ability to create conversational forms that feel less like interrogations and more like natural dialogues, potentially leading to higher completion rates. No hidden fees or contracts are mentioned, and they offer a free trial to test out the platform. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Typeform Interactive Form Builder. Setting up an account was incredibly easy. I simply signed in with my Google account and was ready to go in seconds. The interface is very intuitive and visually appealing. I started by choosing a template for a customer satisfaction survey and then customized it with my company's branding. Adding questions was a breeze, with a drag-and-drop interface and a wide variety of question types, from multiple choice and rating scales to file uploads and even video questions. I particularly appreciated how easy it was to customize the look and feel of the survey, changing colors, fonts, and adding images to match our branding. The logic jumps and branching features were also very useful for creating a more personalized survey experience based on respondents' answers. I tested the survey on a few colleagues, and the performance was excellent. It loaded quickly, and the interactive elements worked flawlessly. The reporting dashboard provided clear visualizations of the responses, making it easy to identify trends and insights. I did run into a small hiccup when trying to embed the survey on our website, but a quick email to their support team resolved the issue within a few hours. I was really impressed by how responsive they were. One minor drawback I found was the limited customization options in the free plan. While sufficient for basic surveys, I would probably need to upgrade for more advanced features like custom thank you screens and integrations with other tools. The standout feature for me was definitely the user-friendly interface and the ability to create truly engaging and interactive forms. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Typeform Interactive Form Builder. While it has a few limitations in the free version, it's an excellent tool for creating dynamic and visually appealing forms that are a significant step up from traditional survey builders. That's my overview of Typeform Interactive Form Builder. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.